Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy mini video edition. At least I hope we see Frontier. We do see United Airlines 1514 en route. Oh, there it is. To Punta Cana International Airport. That is a MAX 9. And look at that, Frontier. We got Honey the Badger livery. Look at that. We got Honey the Badger. And today's goal is 150 likes. So if you could get that today, that would be appreciative. Look at that honey. Oh, he's going all the way. Now, for those who's wondering, I walked all the way. I don't know who lives in New Jersey or has been to New Jersey, but I basically walked from near the train station all the way to here. So you guys can have a show today because I don't have money for the bus. Hey, greetings, Toronto. Jock Plane Spotting Toronto. How are you doing today? Shout out to Toronto. United Airlines 1826 taking off for San Diego International Airport. I'm well and warm. I know that's right. Continue staying warm. And while you're staying warm, please make sure you grab some snacks, kick back, hit your recliners if you have one of those, smack that like button, consider becoming a channel member, and the whole 9 yards. And hype today's live stream. Enjoy it, and enjoy it. That's cool. Muchly appreciated. Now just kick back, relax. Nightbot should be in the chat if it's not already, telling people to either send a donation, become a channel member, listing rules of the channel, the whole 9 yards. We're gonna stay on Frontier. We're gonna stay on Frontier Airlines because why not? It's Honey the Badger. I don't think I've seen that livery before, so this is doing nicely. Already we're at 15 likes. I appreciate that. 5 more till we hit 20. So whoever's tuned in and didn't drop a like yet, please do so. As I mentioned, today's goal is 150 likes. Can everybody hear the ATC just fine? Because I don't want it to be too loud because this place will fill up later on and I want to be mindful of other people. I am not a football fan, actually, no. I'm more of a basketball fan than a football fan. And You say you never been to New York City or New Jersey. I recommend it. Air Canada comes here. Should fly in Air Canada. Hey, Hazel.
Checker 53576 at Charlie Charlie, Carl Charlie 2 Stuart, contact ground 20. Cross to Red, Charlie Charlie, over ground, Frontier Flight 3576. Yeah, 781, contact and departure. Traffic is at 40 line, departure giving out. Target 3439 New York, Charlie 2403, runway 2 is outside line.
There it goes. Friendly reminder. If you have not eaten, taken your meds, drink water, nor giving yourself plenty of time to rest, if applicable, please do so at your earliest convenience. I don't want anything to happen to you. Jesus loves you and I love you too. And thank you for watching. And now, with that being said, please continue to enjoy today's featured presentation. Look at that departing. What was that? United Airlines 2119 to Georgetown. And then we got Spirit Airlines over there that just came in. 1404 coming in from Indianapolis. Look at Honey the Badger. Taxiing to Terminal B. Okay, Hazel, I'm gonna have to ask you to stop repeating yourself over and over again. Like, that's the only thing you've been typing in the message. Like, we get it. Just lay off the repetitive messages, please. United Airlines 2455 departing for Denver International Airport. Honey the Badger came in from Puerto Rico, specifically San Juan. The airport is known as the lowest Meno. I still have a hard time pronouncing that name. Hopefully you have fun with fudge, what was I about to say? Hopefully you have fun in Baltimore. I really hope you do enjoy yourself. No buses. Oh wow. Hopefully the strike will situate in for SEPTA. Hopefully that situates, because you hate to see a strike happen. New Jersey Transit just went through one this past summer. If you guys tune into Flight Radar 20, What the Nightbot? Okay. Yeah, please don't post links or whatever. Just tell me what you want to tell me, but please don't post links in the chat. Nightbot got you for that. We got JetBlue 1811 flying out of here. And Frontier has made it to the gate. What do we have here? We have American Airlines taxiing to the runway. That's a Boeing 737-823, most likely a winglet. I'm gonna take a jab and say it's in the double digits in terms of age. As far as what just took off, that's United Airlines 1525 going to Edward Henry O'Hare International Airport. Yeah, Jonathan. If that was me, I'd probably be walking from part A to part B. Point A to point B. There we go. I don't know about taking Uber every day for $60. I wouldn't. I personally wouldn't. I'm streaming, so I'm pretty much seeing everything you put up there.
At 3, runway 22, right up with me. Clear for takeoff. It's right with you. Takeoff, 25.
All right, we have a departure. Yeah, I wouldn't do that if I were you, honestly. That's just me though, but I do get you got stuff that needs to be done. Delta Airlines 2865 just crawled across the screen. That came in from Minneapolis, St. Paul as a Boeing B717. What's that? Oh, crawling across the screen. That is Republic Airways in a form of United Express 3409 that just came from Detroit, specifically the Wayne County Metropolitan Airport. Thank you for watching today's featured video, and please have a blessed day.